Euchre. Let us try to understand interhalogen compounds. The interhalogen compound is formed by the combination of two halogens. The two halogens, as they are highly reactive and require only one electron to complete their octet, they can form a covalent bond and can complete their octet. Also, some of the interhalogens can expand their octet and various kind of interhalogen compounds can be formed. The interhalogen compounds are divided into four major categories. AX type, where A is one interhalogen and X is other. A is more electropositive halogen than X. So if it is a chlorine and bromine interhalogen compound, then chlorine, since it is more electronegative, it will be X, and bromine, as it is less electronegative, it will be A. These four type of interhalogens are AX, AX3, AX5 and AX7. Usually diatomic molecules of same halogens are not considered in interhalogen chemistry. Chlorine form interhalogen compound with fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. It forms ClF, ClF3, ClF5, BrCl, ICl and ICl3 twice. Bromine also forms interhalogen with fluorine, chlorine and bromine and iodine. Here, when bromine combines with fluorine and chlorine, it is electropositive, then it is more electropositive than fluorine and chlorine. So it forms BrCl, BrF, BrF3 and BrF5. Compared to iodine, it is less electropositive, or we can say it is more electronegative. So it forms IBr type of compound. Known compounds of iodine, where iodine behaves like a cation, is IF, IF3, IF5 and IF7. There is also ICl, ICl3 twice and IBr. Amongst these, IF7 is most unstable interhalogen known. It disproportionate into IF5 and I2 very rapidly. The preparation of interhalogen is relatively simpler. The interhalogen compound can be prepared by a direct combination of halogens. This can be done by the molecular halogens in equal proportion or in different proportion. So if we have 1 is to 3, then it can form AX3 type of interhalogen compound. And when we have equal proportion, that means the number of the halogens are equal, they will form AX type of interhalogen. For example, we can consider Cl2 and 3F2 will give us 2 ClF3 molecule, and when it is equal proportion, I2 and F2 will give us 2 IF molecule. This is known as chlorine trifluoride, and here it is iodine fluoride. There are other direct combination methods where a halogen can be reacted with another interhalogen and they can form new interhalogen. So Cl2 plus ClF3 gives 3ClF, that is chlorine fluoride, and Br2 plus BrF3 gives 3BrF. that is bromine fluoride. Iodine with silver fluoride gives iodine fluoride plus silver iodide. This happens as silver is having large atomic size. It likes to form a bond with iodine, where the relative size between silver and the fluoride is different. Iodine with the oxidizing agent like chlorate, that is KClO3, forms ICl, that is iodine chloride, plus KiO3, that is potassium iodide. Iodine in excess of Cl2 forms iodine trichloride, and iodine in excess of fluorine forms iodine trifluoride. Iodine reacts with excess of xenon fluoride to form iodine trifluoride plus 3 xenon atoms. AX5 type of compound can be prepared by direct combination of halogens. So halogen with the excess of halogen in case of bromine and excess of fluorine, we can prepare bromine pentafluoride. Potassium bromide also reacts with excess of fluorine to form bromine pentafluoride plus potassium fluoride. Bromine is in -1 oxidation state, while here bromine is in +5 oxidation state, which means fluorine has oxidized bromine. Chlorine, when there is a change in oxidation state of halogens, this type of reactions are known as redox reactions, where there is electron transfer from one halogen to other. Chlorine react with excess fluorine to form chlorine pentafluoride. Also iodine with the excess fluorine forms iodine pentafluoride. Known method to prepare iodine heptafluoride is iodine pentafluoride reacts with fluorine at 250 to 300 degrees centigrade to form iodine heptafluoride. All these halogens, when they form interhalogens, since the electronegativity difference is not very large, they essentially form a covalent bond. The interhalogens are generally more reactive than the halogens, except fluorine. This is because when there is AX bond will be weaker than XX or AA bond. देव बरं करू.